Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not upgrading. First, let's start with some simple checks. Begin by restarting your device. A quick reboot often resolves minor glitches. Next, confirm your internet connection is stable, perhaps by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, make sure you have at least 500 megabytes of free storage on your device. Finally, try force stopping the Roblox application through your device settings before reopening it. Corrupted cache files are a common culprit for update issues. To clear them, first ensure Roblox is completely closed. For Windows users, press the Windows key plus R, type %temp%\Roblox, and hit Enter. Select and delete all files in that folder. Mobile users can navigate to their device's app settings, find Roblox, and choose to clear its cache. This simple step can often resolve stubborn update problems. If clearing the cache doesn't work, a complete reinstallation is often the most effective solution. Start by uninstalling all Roblox programs from your computer's add or remove program settings. Then, delete any leftover Roblox folders in your local app data. It's crucial to restart your computer afterward. Finally, download and install a fresh copy of Roblox from the official website or your device's app store to ensure you have the latest version. For more persistent issues, consider temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus, as they can sometimes block updates. Also, try running Roblox as an administrator to grant it necessary permissions. It's always a good idea to check the official Roblox server status page. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.